Some of us crypto investors have trust issues in terms of security. In this modern day, hacks, scams, fraud, and data breach are among the most common cybercrimes that most people have been a victim of. With that being said, I'm here to talk to you through a few safe crypto wallets that you could put your confidence on in storing your cryptos. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is Chad Confirmed, bringing you the hottest news in the crypto world. To begin, I suppose I should describe the various methods of storing cryptocurrency and why I believe hardware wallets are the best option. The fact is that most crypto novices just buy a cryptocurrency on a cryptocurrency exchange, then leave it there. No doubt about it. It's a great time saver, but there's a drawback to this approach. Doing so will make you lose control of your private keys, which is not a good thing. It's not unexpected that exchanges become an enticing target for hackers when there are actually hundreds of millions of dollars on exchanges. Exhibit A. What happened at Quadriga CX, where $190 million became missing, allegedly taken by its own CEO, of which he managed to get away from by changing identities, marriages, and a strange death. Exhibit B. Qcoin. Hackers stole more than $275 million worth of cryptocurrency from Qcoin and is considered as one of the largest ever exchange hacks. Exhibit C. Exmo, who lost 5% of the exchange's total assets to hackers. Now, the list just goes on, and you can find the list when you search crypto exchange hacks on the web. Despite the numerous exchange scams, there are still a large number of legitimate exchanges. Nonetheless, even though they are legitimate, we cannot be 100% certain or have guarantee over its security. That's why it is still better to manage your own coins in a wallet. In this way, you have full control over your coins and don't have to rely on an exchange intermediary to keep them safe for you. Although digital wallets are useful, there are still threats that could compromise security. Connecting the internet exposes your private keys, clicking on this incorrect link, downloading the wrong software, or becoming infected with a virus will all lead you to lose all of your money in just a tap. What I recommend you to use are hardware wallets. Unlike digital wallets, these wallets are tangible and come in a variety of forms and sizes. It's just like a hard drive, but it stores your coins like a wallet, hence the name hardware wallet. To put it another way, they keep your private keys on the device at all times. In addition, the device itself must verify each transaction. You should care about this since it implies that your private keys will never be revealed to your computer as well as the outside world exposed to criminals. Even though your device has a virus, you can still use this wallet because they provide you with the highest level of cryptographic security to protect your funds from uninvited intrusions. However, hardware wallets have two weaknesses. The first one is the $5 wrench attacks, which is the use of physical coercion for you to give up private information and keys to your cryptos. In that case, you're a lost cause and no one can help you once you transfer your assets to the criminals. You can protect yourself from this kind of attack by simply being discreet about how much is inside your wallet. Basically, don't go telling everybody you know that you have tons of coins as an attempt of showing off. A smart option is also upgrading your home security to prevent sudden break-ins. This makes you a challenging and difficult target for invaders that they might just want to ditch the break-in attempt. Therefore, no $5 wrench attack. The second and the last weakness is by purchasing a hardware wallet from an unauthorized source. You don't know where it came from or what hacks and softwares are installed inside the device. The point is, it's a risk that you should not take. You may avoid this horror by purchasing straight from the hardware wallet company. Are you now convinced to switch to a hardware wallet? I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you know someone interested in this video, then share this link for them to watch. Now, let's move on to the main point of the video and introduce you to the top 5 safest hardware crypto wallets. The 5th spot belongs to Ledger, but to be frank with you, it has its history of issues that might make you second guess in pushing through. A message by the Ledger CEO implied that the data breach in July 2020 confirmed that approximately 1 million email addresses had been stolen. The database's publicly released shows that a larger subset of detailed personal information has been leaked. About 272,000 detailed information such as postal addresses, name, and phone numbers of the customers. They continued to imply that despite the leak, the crypto assets are all safe. The Ledger Nano S has a capacity of 3 to 20 applications and start at around $59. It allows you to back up your hardware wallet using a private key that is converted to a readable series of 24 words. If you ever lose your wallet, get destroyed, stolen, or simply forgot your PIN, you will input this series of words into another wallet and get your coins back. Number 4 on my list is Cold Card. Easy to use, ultra secure, open source, and affordable hardware wallet that is easy to back up via an encrypted micro SD card. What sets Cold Card apart from other wallets are its great features such as Brick Me PIN, Duress PIN, and Login Countdown. To elaborate, once a Brick Me PIN is entered, the Cold Card will destroy its secure element, like storing the private key, rendering the device worthless. Of course, this happens in case of emergencies, so when hackers try to get a hold of it, it will be of no use to them. Moreover, when it comes to Duress pins, it gives you the chance to define another wallet to mislead potential attackers. Basically, it tricks the invaders that they are on the right path, but this feature just makes it seem normal, even when in fact, they are on an entirely different route. Cold Card basically is a genius trick to confuse attackers and lead them to their own misery. In the 3rd spot, we have the Lelip Titan, which starts at around $119. To begin, the wallet has been sealed to prevent dust and water from entering. To further safeguard your wallet against physical attacks, if someone tries to open it by force, it will auto self-destruct to restore factory settings when tampered. There are no USBs, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth connections on the Lelip Titan since it only uses QR codes to exchange data. This wallet is also a lot easier to set up and use. It supports more than 7,000 different types of cryptocurrency, so that makes a higher chance that the coins you have are supported. For the 2nd spot, it belongs to KeepKey. KeepKey's $49 price tag is one of the service's most appealing features. It supports the world's leading cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Dash, and 46 ERC20 tokens. It goes without saying that it is also fully integrated with the shape-shifting system. This wallet is effectively a full-fledged cryptocurrency exchange. If you want to securely trade cryptocurrencies, this is a great option. Occupying the number 1 spot is Trezor. It is the world's first secure Bitcoin hardware wallet. Its appearance looks like a small calculator with an OLED screen. The most recent one, Trezor Model T, starts at an overwhelming $190. There are 3 reasons why Trezor is number 1. First, offline recovery speed. Your entire wallet is always accessible via your personal 12 to 24 words long recovery seed. 2. It's unique for you. Initial setup of your Trezor generates the seed automatically. Use this offline backup if you ever lose access to your wallet. And 3. Cross-compatibility. The recovery seed follows a standard created Satoshi Labs, but it is widely used, compatible with many wallet apps. Trezor Model T supports the most crypto of any wallet, specifically 1,617 of them. Basically, the major takeaway is the more expensive the hardware is, the more reliable and high quality it is. But, do you think they're worth the investment? That's all for today. If you learned something new, like this video and make sure you hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our uploads. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on this video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't already. This is Chad Confirmed, signing off.